Debt can be overwhelming for many individuals, but taking control is an essential first step. This guide will help you understand your financial situation and offer advice on managing various types of debt, from credit card balances to tax obligations. Today's video will cover several key areas. First, we'll help you understand your financial situation. Next, we'll highlight common areas of debt concern, like taxes and credit cards. We'll then discuss the potential of bankruptcy as a solution. Later, we'll offer practical steps and finish with some additional tips and an important disclaimer. Understanding your situation is the first step in gaining control over your debt. This involves evaluating various types of debt you might have and recognizing key areas that need attention. Let's move to the details of each concern. Here are key areas to focus on regarding debt challenges. First is tax debt, which can lead to penalties if left unpaid. Proactively contacting the IRS for a payment plan is wise. Auto loan debt can come from unexpected events, such as a car accident with only liability insurance. Make sure your coverage is adequate to prevent such burdens. As for credit card debt, understand the statute of limitations, as it affects your legal responsibility. Collectors cannot sue you for debts beyond this period, though attempts to collect may continue. Now let's consider whether bankruptcy might be a suitable option for some. Considering bankruptcy is a significant decision and varies greatly depending on individual circumstances. Bankruptcy offers asset protection, ensuring certain possessions are retained based on your state's laws. However, it has notable drawbacks like negatively impacting your credit score, complicating future loan approvals. Importantly, student loans generally remain payable despite bankruptcy. Additionally, deciphering the root causes of your debt, whether poor spending habits or unforeseen events, is crucial to avoid repeating the cycle. Evaluating therapy, budgeting, and counseling can help prevent reoccurrence. Next, let's look at some practical steps you can take. Here are some actionable steps to tackle your debt situation. First, seeking professional advice is crucial. Financial advisors or credit counselors can help create a personalized debt management plan. If contemplating bankruptcy, consult with an attorney. Secondly, creditors might be open to negotiation for payment plans or settlements. Budgeting is vital. Track your income and spending to find areas to cut back. Lastly, be aware of your legal rights, as debt collectors are bound by laws in their contact with you. Now let's cover some additional tips and a disclaimer. Here are some final tips to keep in mind. Avoid acknowledging old debts that are past the statute of limitations. You don't want to inadvertently restart the timeline for collection. Wage garnishment can only proceed if a debt collector obtains a court judgment, and for any communication with collectors, you have the right to request in writing, providing you with records for your reference. Now, it's important to note our disclaimer. All information provided is educational and not financial or legal advice. Consult qualified professionals for personalized guidance. That concludes our guide. Thank you for watching. To summarize, controlling your debt begins with understanding your overall financial situation. Key areas requiring attention include tax obligations, auto loans, and credit card debts. Bankruptcy offers potential relief, but with notable consequences. Professionally developed plans and creditor negotiations can be essential pathways toward improvement. As always, seek tailored guidance from qualified professionals to navigate your specific circumstances. Thank you for taking the time to watch this guide on facing debt challenges. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to managing finances, so keep learning and stay informed. We appreciate any likes, shares, and new subscribers. Please let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments section below.